declared this variable. Let's perform some basic operations on numbers. Let's say we define the value of number like 10, and for another variable like 5. The first of all, we will perform addition operation. Let's define a new variable to store the result, and then we will simply a plus b, and to print the output, we in using previous, we will use the print command. It's now showing the result of addition. For subtractions, we basically used stored the result of a minus b, a variable, and stored inside the result, and we are printing the result. For multiplication, we are simply using a multiply b. For division, a slash b. For integer division, we use double slash. For integer division. For exponential, we are using double static. To run this, we'll simply use this. Now this is the result of the